everybody and welcome to Them Fast. Today we have this Skoda Enyaq and this car is pretty cool. It has the Sportline package, so it has some different rims and also everything is black, so the badges are black and the accents are black too. You can see it right here. It's a really cool car and today we're going to POV drive it for you and you can enjoy the drive, of course. In terms of the interior, this car has the sport seats and the sport interior, so that's really cool. We're now going to drive. In front of us is the Q4. Check out the videos of that car, and because of this is the same platform as that one, we drive these cars both together. Over here we have, of course, the 360 degrees camera, and now we're going on the drive. Enjoy. We put the mode in braking, so if you release the throttle it slows down and regenerates energy or electricity for the car, so we can drive a little further. Okay, charging it right. Okay, there we go. Great. And as you can see, this is the same virtual cockpit as in the ID3, ID4 and ID5, and this is the display. It's really cool, and the only thing that is really different, that is the Q4 from Audi. They changed the virtual cockpit and a whole nother inlay for the interior. So let's see if there's a little power in this car, and it is. So you can definitely overtake trucks if you want, and also other cars. So that's really nice and pretty useful in situations when you need a little bit more power than your usual diesel or gasoline car. We can change the mode and put it into sport, and then we go back to the other menu. This is the heated seats. I don't think there are cooled seats in here. And if you don't want to drive in B and put it into drive, you can choose to minus or plus the regenerative braking. So if we minus, then it will change how much it holds you back when you release the throttle. But I like driving in brake mode. So here we have the Q4, also from Wittebrug in The Hague. There's Nicky in the other car. That's cool to see. And we're now on the A13 and we're driving a casual drive. In a bit we go to Wittebrug in The Hague, so if you want to see how to drive there, you can watch this POV too. That's really cool. Gives you a lot of power when overtaking. It's always handy for taking over another car. And if you're wondering what the quality of the Skoda Enyaq is, it's really decent. It's actually really good for a car that's on the lower ladder of Audi, Volkswagen, Skoda, etc. Here we have Nicky, of course, driving the Q4. And yeah, as I said, the interior quality is very good. You have leather right here. The steering wheel is pretty nice as well. It has perforated leather. Here we have a sort of carbon looking interior bit, and you see that through the car. Also in the back of this car there is this option as well, so the back of this car is thought through as well, so it's really nice. The turning signal stocks, or the stocks right here, are the same as in the Volkswagen, so that's quite the same. And this is a soft thing, it squeezes a little bit. It's really cool. The quality is it's really good. If you think of, is the quality high enough, it definitely is on this car. By the way, this is the 62 kilowatt-hour battery pack, and with the motor and the electric batteries, this car produces 180 horsepower, and that's for a vehicle like this pretty good. And because of the electric engine, of course, it's quite fast. If you want to see how fast this car is from 0 to 100, check out our video about the 0 to 100 up here, or check the description down below. And also we have a walk around of this car, and if you want to see the walk around of this car, you can see in detail how this car looks and what the car can, of course. And we have a review about this car, and the review of this car is also up there right now. You can click it there and you can see what this car is all about. That's really cool. And also, if you like this type of video, check out the 360 degrees video. It's a new thing of ours, so that's really cool. Oh, Nicky wants to do a little pull-up, so we can actually do that. The car is in sport, of course, and there we go. I of course win because he don't watch, of course. So yeah, we are now at Wittebrug in The Hague. I'm going to turn around to bring the car back to Wittebrug Skoda, that's over there, and here we have Wittebrug Audi in The Hague. And there we go. The turning ratio is good as well, same as the Q4. It's really I have to say, you can rely on that if you have to make small turns. And as you can see, the kilometers we can drive is 269. So that's really cool. It's always a very nice number. It's sad that the 2 is in front, but it's very nice to see we can drive 269 kilometers. So we're going to bring back the car to Skoda at Wittebrug. That's here. We have, of course, the Volkswagen Wittebrug, and prior to this it's now an occasion centrum, and it was the Audi dealer at first, but Audi decided to move this the Audi to a little further. Here we have another very nice Enyaq, and it has the special grille. It looks really cool. Okay, so we're back at Skoda. We're going to park the car, and I will thank you for watching this video. Thanks everybody for watching the video, and give us a thumbs up if you like this content. Also let us know what you think of this car, and also leave us a comment what you want to see on our channel. So guys, with no further ado, thanks for watching, and see you guys in our next video. Ciao!